When I was a little girl, my mom would make the typical Lipton orange pekoe black tea with evaporated milk and sugar. I loved to sip from her teacup as she was drinking tea. It always seemed to taste better from her mug. I remember my grandmother preparing tea for me and asking me if I wanted milk. When she prepared the black tea and put it in front of my face was little at the time, I tasted it and realized that it was the wrong color and the wrong flavor and didn't taste anything like how my mom made our tea. But I couldn't verbalize to my super strong, earthy, stern grandmother just how I like my tea to taste. Not that she would have appeased my tea whims anyway. I simply shook my head, leaving both of us confused about just what was off. I've always adored my mother. This was and is no secret to anyone. Her way was always perfect to me. I remember my grandmother walking away from me, muttering to herself that she couldn't do anything to please me, and me being surprised that she didn't force me to drink it. It did make me feel a bit sad as a pretty easygoing child. And although I was in my single digits, I still can remember her back, clad in her housecoat, the sigh and the shuffle to the sink. I know that there was more behind the statement than just tea. If I knew that this would have been the reaction, I probably would have drank the tea like it was the best tea I had ever had in my life. I realize now that my mom's tea was amazing because it always had a little bit too much milk and a little bit too much sugar, not to mention a little bit too much love. I still enjoy my black tea the same way today.